Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser and search for Davinci Resolve. Then open this first link. Now here, first you need to log in with your account, if you don't have any account. Then tap on Sign Up here. Now you need to provide your personal details here. Once you've done all, then click on Sign Up here. Now you will receive an email to verify your account. Simply click on Activate Blackmagic Cloud account, and my email are verified successfully. Let's go back and log in with the same email address. Now here click on this icon Davinci Resolve. And now here click on Download for Windows. Then your download will start automatically. So it was the way in which you can download Davinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.